Alright YouTube, here we have this brown Union / Evergo Industrial. Actually, what's this one labeled? There you are. Let's see. Leslie Lock. Leslie Evergo. Oh, it's Leslie Lock. Okay. So, this is my first 36-inch brown Union / Evergo make. Factory brown, by the way. It's not painted brown. So, let's go ahead and throw it on high. The downrod knuckle, the part that grips the downrod, broke in half, so can't be a sit up there for right now. It's a little stiff, but it runs good. The blades when I got it also had no pitch. I'm not sure if they were flattened out when they were in storage or on the way here, but they're now pitched and they pretty well balanced. Very silent, even though it's a little stiff. It moves a lot of air though, as all these 36 inches did. So, very cool to have my first actual brown one. So that's why I kept this one. Now, as you spin down this one should be a pretty fast spin down. I have one more fan I want to test for sure today. It's going to be the Columbia 2. You get out there, make sure it functions properly. Debate if I'm going to keep it or sell it. I'm going to go from there. And yeah. Thanks to the bearings are stiff. You can see that it's going to stop pretty sudden. But it's quiet and it runs good, so thanks for watching, guys.